tell me, what can they do actually to actually encourage more reading and make it fun?
Go to the bookstore or go to the library and gather up your favorites. Figure out if you don't have any favorites, pick a couple and then choose some favorites and keep reading and rereading those books over and over and over again. Let your kid pick out some books. Kids want to select books, but how many children have the opportunity to go to a Barnes and Nobles and go buy books, or to
Yeah.
purchase books on Amazon? How many people give children gift cards to purchase books? We purchase phones, we purchase Jordans. How many of us are purchasing books for
Yeah.
Christmas, for graduation? This is June. For their birthdays. How many children are receiving books? So
Yeah.
we have to communicate in such a way that we're letting kids know books are vital, not only for school, for
Mm-hmm.
survival and thriving in
Yeah.
America. We need
Mm-hmm.
literacy. We need books.
Yeah.
That's where the knowledge is housed. That's where the knowledge is stored. And when I was a little girl, there were conversations at the dinner table.
Mm-hmm.
There were conversations at the dinner table about, what are you going to be when you grow up, girls? This was a constant question my father posed to us. I was in the third grade, the second grade. By fourth grade, after hearing this question over and over and over, by fourth grade, hey, I'm going to be a teacher, Daddy. I'm going to be a teacher. My
That's
mom
it.
always talked
Mm-hmm.
about elevation, social mobility, go beyond a high school diploma. Think about your career. This was a conversation for elementary school children when I was growing
Yeah.
up. How many people are having that conversation? So when we pull in cause and effect, if
Mm-hmm.
you do this, if you learn this, then later you can do this. This will empower you later. We're not connecting dots for children. We have
Yeah.
children who are saying they all want to be YouTubers now. All of you want to be YouTubers? Or is that the plan? Like, that's a great plan, but you have to have a skill
Yeah.
that you can monetize so that you can elevate socially.
Yeah.
So so what can mom do? Have conversations about cause and effect. The
Mm-hmm.
reading you do now is going to empower you for later.
Mm-hmm.
And let's go on Saturday to go to the library to get some books. How many children have a library card? How many children have been to a library? How many children have been to a zoo? How many children have been to a museum? All of these things help children thrive in language. So we have to take care of the language first, and the two-way communication, not just directives. Go in the room, be quiet, don't do this, do that. We're very punitive, some of us in our parenting, and we're not allowing children, be quiet, don't respond, don't backtalk. We're not allowing children to develop their critical thinking and their
Mm-hmm.
vocabulary by having two-way conversations. So
Yeah.
there's so many things that are interfering with this reading achievement gap. So
Wow.
one thing you can do, have more conversations, get to the library, give books as gifts,
Mm-hmm.
dream together. When my little girl was a little girl, we dreamed together about her future. We still talk about her future. She's 27. We co-plan things together. It's been this
Mm.
ongoing journey of parenting. It doesn't end.
Yeah.
So read to your children and listen. It's called miscue analysis. What are the gaps? What is the breakdown? What are the words that they're struggling with? And then get yourself a handy dandy phonics book and get started on closing those gaps.
Phonics. I keep telling people about phonics. I mean, I absolutely love phonics. I
Absolutely.